Let's draw a very nice country which is called Liechtenstein. It's in the Europe and inside of the borders with the Austria and Switzerland. So it's a very small country, but it's also the richest country in the world, and the people are mostly millionaires here. So small country, but the per capita income is the highest income in the world. That's why it's very popular destinations for the uh, tourists and also the job seekers across all Europe. So the people from other European countries just come to Liechtenstein to do their jobs in the morning. Then after office, they just again move to their home country within the train or other transport systems. Okay. So the map, it doesn't change over the time without special circumstances, so usually it remains the same. And for drawing the map of any country, you have to memorize it so that it's going to be the perfect one. So the more you practice, the better the drawing is going to be. Okay. All right. So I am using the crayon colors, and usually the lighter color, because lighter color is usually used for highlighting the area. That's why the area, you can see the other surface is the white background, and the drawing of the map is just very highlighting lighter colors. So that's the drawing, and do practice at home, and drawing is going to be good. Thanks for watching. Stay with us, and we have lots of drawings in our playlist, so you can browse through the playlist. I have also other segments, categories, paintings, sceneries, fishes, people, figure, lots of things. So stay with us, watch the drawing, learn the things, and thank you, and thank you so much for staying with us for all the day and every time. Thank you so much. Have a good day.